Alright, here you go, folks. This is Day of Reckoning. This old ratty likes about to start breathing fire and piss and fuel.
He's on, pumps on.
Come on, Captain.
Are you filming? You filming?
Yeah.
Okay, stop it.
No.
Yeah, stop
Alright, I did.
Stop it. Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, this is, wait a minute, now this is, starting the Cadillac,
Times 10, number 10.
number 10, take 11.
Fingers
Do it.
crossed.
Okay. You filming?
Yeah, go.
Do it.
Crank this in. Crank this in. Get the camera in here and look at this thing. There we go.
Well, it's running. It's not starving. Well, oh.
Yeah.
There's still a little few issues.
I got timing issues. All right, take.